Alright, so here in this video I'll show you a tip on Emacs how to convert bunch of org file into a HTML file. Now wait a second, org file has got the facility to convert from org to HTML, PDF, LaTeX, other formats. Pretty neat. But what it doesn't do, it will not convert a bunch of org file to a bunch of corresponding HTML file. Clear? The facility we have in org file, which will allow us to convert from one org file to one HTML file. Say if I wanted to do 10 org file to convert to a corresponding HTML file at once, that facility is clearly not there. So, like everyone else, I stumble over somebody else's better work and I thought it is cool, so I adapted it. So I'm going to show you how it could be done with a little bit of Ellipse code, which has been written by somebody else whose code I'm borrowing and inducted into my Emacs. I'm sharing it for your benefit. I don't know how much it will entails to you, but probably someone might get benefited like I do. So that is the purpose of this video. Okay, I have my Emacs client open here, and I have a keybind. I'll show you the code in a moment. Control C8. See, it prompts me for the directory where all the org files supposed to be there. Okay, so I'm going here, blogs, content, article, and then I'm taking this year directory because it's just two blogs are there, 2-3 blogs are, so I'm showing you the demonstration. So it could be applied to a other directory where lots of org files are there and you want to convert it to HTML, right, at once. That is the main point. So as you can see, bottom of the screen, I have already selected the directory which is having, I know that at 2-3 org file. Okay, so all I have to do is just press enter, done, and it is showing that the org files are HTML files has been created. Let me visit that directory. Okay, one more time. Blogs, content, articles, 2024. As you can see from the listing of, you see this files has been the org file with a corresponding HTML file. You see it? This HTML file was created on the fly as I shown to you. Okay, so this is very convenient. Now what is the code? What under the hood is working? Let me show you. As I mentioned to you, I borrowed it from somebody else. Let me show you. Here is the code. This is the code, and this is the link I'll show you in a moment from where I have stolen it and inducted in my Emacs. Two function has been created. Okay, and it shows you when it is having an org buffer and what it will do. And the second function, you see, it does at a bunch. What I did, if you have more than one org file, and if you want to convert each org file with a similar HTML file, so you could. So all I did to call up this complex function, so-called complex function, Leaps expert will be saying it's ordinary stuff, it complex to us. So I just attached a key, global key. So every time I get into that specific directory, which is what I shown to you, and press Ctrl C8, bang, it's done. As you saw in that dir list, that this is a very convenient way putting this kind of code into your init.el or .emacs and call up attached with a global key, and you could convert many org file to a corresponding HTML file. So let me go to the this is the page where I get it, and it's been written 3 years back. Unfortunately, I stumbled over it very recently. So what I'll do, I'll give you the link of this particular person's blog in the description section below, so you can go through and you can try it out. If you like it, you can use it or just take a note. But I like the idea, so that's why I inducted in my .emacs file. So I hope it will be useful for some people who are having trouble to convert a bunch of org file to bunch of HTML file. Because if you open up any file, if I go back, let me so for instance, if I go back here of any of the org file, if I open it and if I do Control C, Control E, you see on the right hand side I can only do a single conversion from org to PDF, org to HTML, org to whatever other, org to text, like that, a single file. There is no option for doing things at bunch. Probably that is not necessary. That's why these options are not here. Okay, so in that case, that particular code base, if you have in your .emacs and attached with a key, it will help. So so that's what. So if it is useful, induct it and use it. If it doesn't, just discard it. As simple as that. Hope it will help. Thanks for watching.